until the world. I'm gonna sing down under the water until the world. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing until the world.
So what you crazy? You still gonna get your crazy ass killed. I'ma sit you down crazy still. Like a mental patient in meditation. What? We all know you ass. What? What? We all know you ass. That's the definition of reputation. What? What? Rap, you should have remixed, nigga. Wrong with him. Betting against the nigga. But instead of put him on track, you just skip the fact of telling this vegan nigga, hey man, this might be the wrong time to be giving chicken back, man.
Okay, so now we're gonna be sewing together the one shoulder cutout one piece. And in all honesty, I just finished filming the cutout one piece with the cutouts here in pink. I don't feel like changing my serger thread to orange because this is orange. So you don't see the serging part anyway, for the most part, and it's my swimsuit, so I'm not gonna change it. I'm gonna serge it with pink. But if this was for a client, it would be serged with orange. However, I am gonna do my hems with orange, so you wouldn't see it. Only the inside you'll see some pink threads. Okay, so we're gonna start off doing the same exact thing. So we have our cutout. All right, so let's start serging our edges. And we will be putting elastic all through each cutout piece, including the arm opening. Okay, so we're gonna do the back side and then we'll do our straps because I wanted to have straps. It was just my opinion and design to just put straps on the smaller end and tie. I thought it was cute, but you can do it as well. You have the straps inside the total package. I used the straps that came with the bikini pattern, but it's just a 1.5 inch with strap as long as you want it. So we have 4 straps. 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Okay, so now let's stitch everything together. Shoulder. Shoulder. Said before, my swimsuit size is a large, so I'm making all of these in the large one, using the large pattern. I could probably fit in a medium just because it's stretch fabric, but now we're gonna add elastic to everything, and then we'll add our also add our straps using the regular machine. Okay, so we're gonna add our elastic in. So we go to the wrong side facing up, and we put the elastic here, and we're gonna do a zigzag stitch all the way around, and we're gonna be pulling our elastic kind of tight. Okay, so we're gonna start pulling the elastic. Just a little bit, not extreme. Okay, so once we get back to our starting point, we are going to overlap it just about 1/4 of an inch, and we're going to do a back stitch and another forward stitch, and then we cut it open. We cut this part off, the extra. And then because we are keeping the zigzag stitch instead of a straight stitch, we just take this side and we fold it over. This is our hem, and we're going to do a zigzag stitch all the way down. And actually the pink serger thread doesn't look bad, because apparently there's pink and orange in this swimsuit, or there's hues of pink, so it worked out. Didn't have to change it. right, so this is what the inside will look like all the way around. This is before the elastic in the hem, and this is after. This is the front. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do all the cutouts and the arm opening, and I'll be back. Okay, so I finally finished adding our elastic, and I actually went ahead and put our straps in. And what I did was I just stuck it underneath the hem on both sides, and then I did a straight stitch across. And that's both of those. Stuck it under the hem, and then did a straight stitch. Okay, so I'm about to go try this on for you guys. All right, so this is our one shoulder pattern. And of course, when you first, if you use just what's inside of the pattern, this is what it looks like without the straps. Sorry. So this is what it looks like without the straps. But then I added the strings on the side. It is a tad complicated to get into, but it's not that bad. So this is that. I love it actually. It's probably gonna be one of my favorites. I'm gonna get figure out what fabric I wanna use for it.